Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this key fob. This is out of an S90. Here's what I'm going to be using: a small flat tip screwdriver about this size, a larger flat tip screwdriver. You kind of want it to be fat this way, and then also a replacement battery. This takes a 2032, and you can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. So first thing, this portion comes off first. Slide this piece over, and then this slides off like that. Next, right here, there's a little notch. Pull that down and bring this side out like so. Here, take your larger screwdriver, just move that to where it says open. And then take your smaller screwdriver, place it right here, work that around, take that out, and stick your screwdriver right here and just gently pry that old battery out. New one goes in positive side facing outward, as I've shown there. Put this back in the open position. Take this, twist it back to close. This part right here is kind of tricky, but if it doesn't clip in very easily, then you've got it backwards. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.